We have an interesting data cleaning and transformation scenario before us. As you can see on my two windows, one of the data sets has years and quarters, but we have cells of items, which item happens to be electricity. And we have the company that is selling in the top, so we can say this is first company. When we toggle to the right, we have the second company, the third company, and then the fourth and the rest. And for each of the companies, electricity is being sold to different customer classes. And as you can see that the company name is only shown once, whereas below it we have customer classes. In our final transformation and clean data, we shall have all these units that are sold being showed in a single column. We shall have all these customer classes being showed in the one column. And then we shall have the company name showed in one column. So when we filter, we can see that all our companies are there. And then we can see that all our customer classes are there. And we can also see that all our years are there. And certainly all our quarters are there. Marvelous. It wouldn't come cheap, but Power Query makes it come cheap once you get to understand the principles of Power Query. This data is resident on a website. The website is the Electricity Regulatory Authority, era.go.ug, and under statistics for distribution, we have energy sales per customer category. And then under it, there is a link that opens that spreadsheet. That link is what we harvest and automate our analysis. How does it get more interesting? When this data is updated, you do not need to come and redo the transformation and cleaning. You just need to go to your spreadsheet, click on the data tab, there is refresh, and you just say refresh all, and it will bring all the updates, including the years that have been added and the quarters. So let's get into it and see how to achieve this noble task in the marvel of Power Query.